Is it time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we are diving deep into NIO. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 9th of October, 2024, and now we bring you an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 23rd of September, 2024, our system has categorized NIO as a hold accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.1. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Over this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 18.23% since we first advised purchasing NIO 13 days ago. This results in an average return of 1.40% per day since it was designated as hold accumulate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and strong upward trend in the short term, indicating that further upward movement is likely. The present 3-month trend points to a potential change of approximately 45.94% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 10.31% to 71.50%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it indicates a projected decline of around 34.19% over the upcoming year, with a potential return between negative 78.63% and negative 25.33%. This would correspond to a price range between $1.34 and $4.70 by the end of the year. Our latest daily update for NIO includes the headline: NIO stock price ended at $6.29 on Wednesday after gaining 0.8%. The NIO stock price gained 0.8% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 9th of October, 2024, rising from $6.24 to $6.29. During that day, the stock fluctuated 7.9%, with a low of $5.98 and a high of $6.45. The price has increased in 8 of the last 10 days and is up by 11.33% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 11 million shares, totaling 69 million shares traded for approximately $432.7 million. It is important to note that falling volume on rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning about possible changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $9.57, while the lowest was $3.61. Currently, the price stands 34.27%, or $3.28, below the 52-week high, and 90.61%, or $60.70, below the all-time high reached on the 11th of January, 2021, when the price peaked at $66.99. NIO Inc. shares recently closed at $6.29, reflecting a modest increase of 0.8% as of the latest trading session. However, this stabilization follows a period of volatility, particularly a notable decline where NIO stock plummeted more than 10% due to broader pressures in Chinese equities. A decline in the Hang Seng Index, which dropped over 9% in one day, marking its worst performance in 16 years, has contributed to concerns surrounding the Chinese stock market, impacting investor sentiment toward NIO and its peers. Despite these short-term fluctuations, NIO's past performance shows resilience, having surged 65% in September amid strong delivery numbers and increased investor interest. However, recent news indicates that fears surrounding economic recovery efforts in China and potential antitrust issues in the United States could dampen prospects for immediate growth. The mixed performance of electric vehicle stocks further complicates the outlook. While NIO has faced challenges, its ongoing commitment to innovation and delivery can positively impact its trajectory in the long term. If NIO can leverage its recent momentum and manage external pressures effectively, it may regain investor confidence, suggesting a more favorable outlook for recovery in its stock price in the coming months. Analyst Ratings. On Monday, the 30th of September, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NIO a buy grade while recommending a hold action. On the same day, Morgan Stanley also assigned NIO an overweight grade alongside a hold action. Additionally, on Monday, the 30th of September, 2024, Daiwa rated NIO with a buy grade and suggested a hold action. Earlier, on Friday, the 6th of September, 2024, Piper Sandler upgraded NIO to an overweight grade and recommended an upgrade action. On Thursday, the 5th of September, 2024, U.S. Tiger Securities rated NIO with a buy grade while advising a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to NIO stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. Regarding return on investment, analysts also rate the stock with a strong sell. The following signals have been identified for NIO. The NIO stock currently presents a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a counteracting buy signal from the long-term average. Given that the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average, this creates an overall buy signal, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Should the stock experience further gains, it is expected to encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $6.72. Conversely, if the stock declines, it should find support from the long-term average at around $5.34. A breakthrough beyond the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average will indicate a sell signal. Additionally, a buy signal has been generated from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. On the last trading day, volume decreased even though prices increased, creating a divergence between volume and price. This may serve as an early warning sign. It is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Some negative signals have also emerged, which could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was identified from a pivot top point on Wednesday, the 2nd of October, 2024, and so far, the stock has experienced a decline of 12.76%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots have signaled a sell opportunity 6 days ago. Bollinger Bands suggested a buy signal 25 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a sell signal 4 days ago. Conversely, the long-term moving average suggested a buy signal 28 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 26 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average showed a sell signal 31 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 26 days ago. Additionally, the relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 16 days ago. For more signals and insights, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $5.78 and $5.40. There is an inherent risk when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead to a decline toward the next support level. In this instance, NIO has support just below today's level at $5.78. If this support is breached, the next levels of support from accumulated volume will be at $5.40 and $5.02. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, resulting in high volatility, and due to a large prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, it is classified as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated 473 thousandths of a dollar between its high and low points, representing a change of 7.90%. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 5.87%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for NIO, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we'll discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the P/E ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, consistently negative P/E ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 3rd of December, 2024. Analysts are projecting consensus estimates at negative 32 cents. It's important to monitor these figures closely as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NIO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NIO is at $6.52. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, NIO faces its first support level at $5.78. If this support level holds firm, it may present a favorable entry point with the expectation of a rebound. The combined average rating for NIO from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 24th of February, 2016, when Citigroup Inc. executed an insider sale of 850 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. Our recommended stop loss is set at $5.96, reflecting a decline of 5.26%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a considerable level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 5 days ago. Is NIO stock a good buy? NIO presents several positive indicators, yet we do not find these sufficient to recommend a purchase at this time. Currently, it is advisable to consider it a hold or accumulate position while awaiting further developments. After examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 10th of October, we anticipate NIO will open down by approximately 580 cents, beginning at $6.24. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.